The LiPo Li-ion Battery Runtime Estimator calculates how long your battery will last under specific load conditions. Let's walk through the input fields. First, enter your battery capacity in milliamp hours. This is the total charge your battery can store. Next, input the nominal voltage in volts, typically 3.7 for single-cell lithium batteries. Then specify your load current in milliamps. This is how much current your device draws during operation. Finally, set the system efficiency as a percentage between 1 and 100. This accounts for losses in your voltage regulators and power conversion circuits. For this demonstration, I'm entering 10 milliamp hours for battery capacity, 10 volts for nominal voltage, 10 milliamps for load current, and 10% for system efficiency. After clicking Calculate Runtime, we get 3 results. The runtime shows 0.10 hours, which means the battery will last 6 minutes under these conditions. The energy result of 0.10 watt-hours represents the total energy stored in the battery. The C rate of 1.00 C indicates the discharge rate relative to the battery's capacity. A 1 C rate means the battery fully discharges in 1 hour. This tool helps you quickly evaluate battery performance for your projects. Find the link in the description below.